All right, well, we're here with our final five tribal council. Little bit of an interesting twist. Nobody wins immunity because y'all DQ'd. So I'm just gonna go and order my screen. Mandy, let's just start with that. I mean, I don't think I've ever seen that in org before, but makes it fun,
Makes it
right?
fun, right?
Mhm.
I have been playing orgs for like a year now, so not super veteran, but in my 1 year of playing, I have never witnessed an org not have an immunity winner. I think that's crazy. At first it was funny because like one person messaged like, "Oh, I didn't finish." And then I messaged and I was like, "Oh, I didn't finish." And then someone else was like, "Well, I didn't finish either." And then everyone else that did finish DQ'd. So it's like the odds of that happening are crazy. I think it's hilarious. Obviously it's not hilarious that someone isn't safe and having to go home. Like I don't find that funny, but I just find it funny the scenario that we were put in, like no one being vulnerable or no one being safe. Like I don't even think that's happened on Real Survivor, So like that's
Uh,
just crazy.
it did.
Okay, sorry. I'm not as big of a fan as Nicole, so I apologize for misspeaking.
In Pearl Islands, the jury did win immunity, so at final vote. So that did happen, but different scenario here, Um,
Yeah,
Antonio, so go, oh,
talking
go.
then no.
Yeah. But so Antonio, with five people being left, everyone being vulnerable, and because there's literally no idols in the game, what does that mean for this vote? Because that is it's just crazy about it. If you think about it, you have no idols, so there's literally no chance anyone here would be safe tonight.
Mm, I don't. I'm sorry. I'm literally still waking up. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's pretty fucked up that you get to five and literally nobody is safe. So, I don't. I don't know. We've never seen this, so it's just weird to be in this position.
Yeah. So, Brad, looking at the last few boots, it seems like people besides Rachel were kind of known on the outs. It seemed people seemed a little shocked and stuff. Do you think tonight someone's gonna be shocked? Like, what's the deal? Because it's five people left. There,
It's five people. I think everyone expects their name to be written down. With so little amount of people, everyone is paranoid. Because if you're looking at it, everyone has four options here. Like that's not a lot compared to when we started where we had 13. You know what I mean? Or like 12. So, I mean, everyone's paranoid. I'm paranoid, and I'm sure I can speak for everyone here and say we're all paranoid coming into tonight.
McCall, if you look at tonight, like you have five, we have five people, right? But that means we're down to four. Hypothetically speaking, this could be our last vote. So how important does that make tonight's decision, knowing that there could be a vote next round, there could not be, there could be a final. Like I said, there's so much to go down. But if tonight was the last vote, how important does it make it?
Oh, it's an extremely important vote, and like the fact of the matter, like I'll say this like as a Survivor super fan myself, like everyone knows I am. Like the fact that like in this position with the five of us here having no one having immunity, I think it's actually very exciting because there's so many dynamics like going around about like a lot of different types of relationships and threats being thrown around that are going to get tested tonight. And this vote is a very huge one because of the fact that we don't know what's going to happen in the future. You get surprised us with a double elimination tomorrow, and we won't even fucking know until then. There's a chance that like fire making happens and there is no vote. There's a chance that like it is a final three, but there is a vote. There's so many different possibilities. There's so many different things that can happen. Like for all we know, like you could just like extend this week to Friday, and then like there's a final three round on Friday. We don't know what's gonna happen. So it makes tonight's decision of whoever's gonna go home extremely crucial because it could really set up like who's gonna make it to the end and who's potentially gonna win the game.
Right. And Bradley, if you look at it, I think you are the only last original in Kanto, and I think you've won immunity ever since Bobby went home. So being the first time vulnerable as the last original Kanto, what is that like for you? Like in a wholesome, like knowing that your entire tribe is basically gone and you're sitting here alone.
I believe it is scary, but at the time, I do believe that tonight, it's going to be definitely hard to choose somebody from this group because we've built relationships, So I do believe it's going to be a difficult decision tonight. You never
Right.
know what's going to happen.
There's no more pre-vote advantage, so I'm gonna ask for those. If anyone has anything to add, go ahead. All right, go ahead and send your votes or bump your confessional. We'll be back when we have them.
Good luck, everyone.
Good luck, guys.
And since this potentially is the last vote, Elijah, once again, I'm gonna vote for you for old time's sake.
All right, I do have the votes. The person voted out will be asked to leave this, have 30 seconds to say goodbyes. Their host will get to speak and they will get to, and they'll be able to leave or go off camera, and we're going to invite the jury in again. Why is my computer? All right, first vote is for Fred. That is one vote, Fred. The second vote is for Bradley. We are tied. One vote, Fred. One vote, Bradley. Next vote is for Fred. That's two votes, Fred. One vote, Bradley. Fourth vote is for Bradley. We are tied again. Two votes, Bradley. Two votes, Fred. One vote left. The 16th person voted out of Survivor Sounds of Disney, Battle of the Bitches, and the 9th member of our jury is Fred. Go ahead, Fred, you go first.
Ah, Good move. Good move. I knew Rachel's speech was gonna screw me. I had a feeling that was happening, and man, I'm proud of the game I played. This is the first time I've made it this far, and so yeah.
Frederick, Beggs. I'm so proud of you. You repped me so well. Literally not a better member of Team Juliet I could ever ask for. You were a pleasure to host. It was so wonderful seeing you play this game. Thank you for being the best Julie Berry a Jeff Probst could ever ask for.
And
Jen?
Fred, yes. All right, Fred. Actually, if you can just leave, get to talk to the final four real quick, and then you can come back on with the jury once we send a link, if that's okay.
Amazing game.
All right, is Fred gone?
Yep.
All right, we do have to discuss something with
Hey,
your. Okay, yes, yes,
are
oh,
you
you're-
still gonna stay live?
yes, yes, because yes, for this 2 seconds and after we'll go off. We are going to discuss something with your final immunity challenge right now.
Oh no.
Yeah. Okay.